Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to post quietly on Instagram profile. For that, launch your Instagram mobile application and then tap on the plus icon in the bottom. After that, you just have to select that particular photo or that particular video which you want to post. So let's say I want to post this particular photo over here. So after selecting it, tap on the next button in the top right hand corner, then press next button in the bottom right hand corner once you edit all of your images, and then you just have to simply tap on the share button. Now over here you just have to be really quick. So as soon as you post your photo or your video, you need to tap on the three dots and here select the archive option. So what will happen here is your profile will be archived and it won't be able to see on this feed. So once it is archived successfully after 3 to 4 days, you just have to simply unarchive it, and this way you will be able to post quietly on Instagram profile. If I tap on my profile icon in the bottom right hand corner, as you can see that there is no photograph that I have posted because I have recently unarchived it. So I'm going to show you how you can easily unarchive it and get it back in your Instagram feed. For that, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right hand corner of the screen and select archive. Now as you can see that we have the story archive selected in the top, but we need to have the post archive. So tap on the drop down button and here select the post archive. Here you will be able to see all of the photographs and the videos or the reels that you have archived. So you just have to simply select the same images which I want to unarchive, then tap on the three dots and here select the option of show on profile. So here tap on show on profile again, and now it will be restored from your post archives. And if you go back and refresh your Instagram profile page, you will be able to see that the image is now back on your profile. So it might take some time, but you just have to keep on refreshing your account and you are done. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.